Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Henson, and welcome to my course, Splunk, the Big Picture. I'm a data engineering author at Pluralsight and active in the analytics community. Splunk has the name of being the easy button for machine-generated data, but now they're widely used outside of just log files and IT operations. Splunk is a full analytics platform. In this course, we're going to give a high-level overview of Splunk and the different use cases for Splunk. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include what problems Splunk Enterprise can solve, learn where to use Splunk Enterprise Security, how Splunk is helping fuel the future of the Internet of Things, and then machine learning and data analytics topics in Splunk. By the end of this course, you'll know how Splunk is used in the enterprise. Before beginning this course, you don't have to be familiar with the Splunk ecosystem. In fact, this course is provided as an overview for Splunk. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into deeper Splunk topics with courses on installing and configuring Splunk, performing basic Splunk searches, building reports, dashboards, and alerts in Splunk. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Splunk with the Splunk Big Picture course here at Pluralsight.